What if I told you the most magical path in Colorado begins where the pavement ends? Tucked behind a neighborhood, forgotten by time. A river whispers an invitation, only some choose to follow. This is the Colorado walk no one talks about. Let's follow where it leads. With every step, the world outside fades away. Each bridge is a gateway deeper in. Whispers of those who walked here long before. Hidden pockets the world forgets to rush through. Around the next bend, a reward. Art created by 1,000 years of river song. A quiet hello from a fellow wanderer. The river's own sacred space. This is the heart of the secret. You can feel the magic here. Where the sky comes down to swim. The coldest, clearest water you'll ever feel. Light performs its final, daily miracle. A place made for quiet moments.
Everything tastes better here.
To be so small in a place so grand.
But the walk back, that's part of the magic too.
The path you know by day becomes a new world by night.
Your own small sun, guiding you home. The ceiling of the canyon becomes a ceiling of stars. And there it is, the other world, waiting. The threshold between worlds. Carrying the river's calm in your heart. A secret that will always be here. And remember,
Magic is often just a quiet path away.
If you believe in finding magic close to home, subscribe. Let's discover the next hidden path together.